How to trade on Bybit application. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can perform trading on Bybit application. Now this is just a short and quick guide, so let me guide you through. The process itself is pretty simple and easy. First thing, you want to open up Bybit and log into your account. Once you're logged in here, first you'll have to know to perform spot trading, you'll have to ensure that you are in the spot tab. So here on the screen, as you can see, you'll get, if you scroll down on home page, you'll get favorites, derivatives and spot option. You want to make sure you are on the spot, and here then you can choose to buy or sell an asset. So you can simply tap on particular asset and you'll get the option to buy or sell. Now if you place your order through other order types such as limit order and conditional order, you'll need to enter your order price or trigger price. So this is the way, or this is the option where you can trade on Bybit application. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.